check out the all-new Honda SP125. It combines sleek design with powerful performance.
Intro, Bike Empire. Welcome back to Bike Empire. Today, we're taking a quick but complete look at the Honda SP125, a premium commuter that blends style, performance, and outstanding fuel efficiency for everyday riders. Design and styling. The Honda SP125 stands out with its sharp, sporty design. The aggressive headlamp, sleek body panels, and bold graphics give it a modern appeal that feels more premium than a typical 125 cubic centimeters commuter. Engine and performance. Powered by a refined 124 cubic centimeters engine, the SP125 delivers smooth acceleration and reliable performance. Honda's advanced fuel injection technology ensures consistent power delivery while keeping the ride quiet and vibration-free. Mileage and efficiency. Fuel efficiency is one of the SP125's biggest strengths. Designed for daily commuting, it offers excellent mileage, making it a cost-effective choice for city riders and long-term ownership. Features and technology. The bike comes equipped with a fully digital instrument cluster, engine start-stop switch, side-stand engine cutoff, and low-friction engine technology. These features enhance convenience, safety, and overall riding experience. Ride comfort and handling. With a comfortable seat, upright riding posture, and well-tuned suspension, the Honda SP125 handles city traffic with ease. Its lightweight nature makes maneuvering smooth and stress-free. Final verdict. The Honda SP125 is a smart choice for riders looking for a stylish, reliable, and fuel-efficient commuter. It offers Honda's trusted quality with modern features, making it one of the best options in the 125 cubic centimeters segment. Stay connected with Bike Empire for more honest bike reviews and updates.